members of the City Council, City Administrator Attorney Roy Ulaga, the City College of Cagayan de Oro, allow me to present to all of you Executive Order number 467, Series of 2024. An order appointing Gistoni P. Babia, licensed professional teacher, Master of Education, Doctor of Education, as President of the City College, Cagayan de Oro. Whereas, the City Government enacted Ordinance number 14564-2023, otherwise known as the Charter of the City College of Cagayan de Oro, in accordance with the provisions of Commission on Higher Education Memorandum Order number 18, Series of 2022, which describes the policies, standards, and guidelines on the grant of institutional recognition as a higher education institution to local universities and colleges. Whereas, Section 9 of Annex E, Search Process and Minimum Qualifications of Local University and College President of CMO number 18, Series of 2022, provides that the Governing Board shall forward to the local Chief Executive the list of 3 qualified candidates or applicants, and the recommended candidate or applicants are among them. The LUC President or Administrator or equivalent position of the LUC will be appointed by the local Chief Executive, being the appointing authority pursuant to the powers and duties of municipal mayors, city mayors, and governors, as provided for in sections 444B1B15, 455B15, and 465B15, respectively, under Chapter 3 of the Public Act number 7160. Whereas, pursuant thereto to the City College of Cagayan de Oro Governing Board, through a duly constituted search committee for President, conducted the search of the City College Presidency, which concluded on 25 October 2024 through the endorsement of the search process results to the undersigned. Whereas, the undersigned has accepted and adopted the results of the said search process. Now, therefore, I, Rolando Clares D. Uy, City Mayor of Cagayan de Oro, by virtue of the powers vested me by law, do hereby order. Section 1, Appointment. To oversee the administration and operations of the City College of Cagayan de Oro in a full-time capacity, in accordance with Section 1 of Article 2, Administration and Operation of the Charter of the City College of Cagayan de Oro, as amended, Gistoni P. Babia, LPT, MAE, EBD, is hereby appointed as the President of the City College of Cagayan de Oro. Section 2, Governing Board. In his appointment as President of the City College of Cagayan de Oro, Dr. Babia should also serve as the Vice Chairperson of the City College of Cagayan de Oro Governing Board. Section 3, Separability Clause. If any provision or part of this executive order is declared invalid or unconstitutional, the other provisions not affected thereby shall remain valid and subsisting. Section 4, Repealing Clause. Any provision or part of previous executive orders, regulations, or policies that are inconsistent with or contravene the provisions of this executive order are hereby repealed, revoked, and rendered null and void. Section 5, Effectivity. This executive order shall take effect immediately upon its approval and signing. So ordered. Issued November 4, 2024, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Rolando Clares D. Uy, City Mayor. Attested by